What's up, guys? We're back with the Aerocoupe today. Got it up on jack stands. We're gonna get the trans all unhooked and start getting the motor out of this thing. Stay tuned. All right, got all the bell housing bolts off and the dust cover off the transmission. So now we're gonna start pulling the headers, cutting all these lines, getting everything unhooked, pull the radiator so we can pluck the motor right up out of there. All right, it's coming along. We got the radiator out, got all the AC lines off, carburetors off. Got to work on getting the headers off and pulling all the front assembly out of there. and then get to the motor mounts and pull it up out of there.
Don't let me down easy. If you're gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back, cussing out my name, yeah, just to go and take back what you say. Burn all the bridges, don't ask forgiveness, walk away like I'm sorry.
All right, we got the whole front of the motor stripped down, the headers are off, motor mount bolts are out. Gonna get the pan underneath, clean up some of these tools, get the engine hoist ready to pluck it up out of there, and then slowly bring it up. I know there's gonna be some wires on the starter and stuff back there I gotta cut off, but should be ready to come on out. All right, guys, we got the hoist up. Motor's starting to lift up. So we're gonna swing it out of there, see what happens.
On you, hey, don't let me down easy. If you're gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way.
If it's over, so fuck it. Just don't act like my love wasn't nothing. Like I wasn't the one you was holding that night, telling all of your secrets and hugging. Guess you right, it's too good to be true. What's the point? All I needed was you. But shit, time after time, I just fussing and fighting. Each time that you do what you do, and it's cool. Mama said it was fish in the sea. I got lost in the pool. Knew it was coming. I watched how you move, how you turn your back on me and leave me to lose. Remember the text, how you said that you do. Said that you never leave. We would fight till it's due. But as it went on, I was fighting for you. Since the text turned green, why the fuck it ain't blue? Guess you done and I get it. Said you staying, you wanted my name and you left, so I'm guessing that you never meant it. Said you try and hold on cause the love was so strong. Now I'm standing alone in this kitchen, singing sad songs, but I'm knowing that this shit don't last long. If you leaving, then leave cause your bag's gone, but just know you can never come back home.
Don't let me down easy. If you're gonna leave me, baby, go and.
All right, guys, as you see, we got the motor all out of there. Got the tranny just hanging right now. Gonna get the door sealed up and probably put the stock hood back on. Got the cow hood for sale, 2-inch cow hood that was on it. So I'm gonna put the stock hood, keep the original look on it, but stick it in the corner, and we're gonna get working on the Sonoma up next. Try to flip it and get it gone. Used to have a big block in it. We're gonna be doing a small block build in it, so that there will be a video coming on this truck very soon, and then it will be up for sale. But yeah, motor's out, interior's out, so she's pretty gutted. Gonna go in the corner, make some more money so we can put it into this thing, get that LS ready, and we got to paint all this, prep all the inside, fix some holes and all the good stuff. But stay tuned.